Hey there. Have you got a minute? Are you feeling unhappy despite efforts to change jobs, relationships, or habits? Whether you realize it or not, you are not alone. Happiness thrives in community. When happy people uplift the unhappy, incredible things occur. We gain support, connection, and belonging, realizing we can overcome struggles together. Welcome to the Department of Contentment, a YouTube channel just for you. Share your story and comments here. Whether grappling with happiness or needing support, these videos are here to help you. Join the conversation. Share your story, leave a comment, and let's create a supportive community. Together, we'll discover happiness and contentment. By sharing and supporting one another, we find contentment in what can seem a very unstable world. So a big welcome to you if this is your first visit to the channel. Together, we can do life.